You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bag.
She's a natural in this environment. Long strokes.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
What in his natural habitat?
Here we have a man in his natural habitat.
No. I'm not a man though.
What's that look?
No.
What's that look you just gave?
No.
So, as I was saying earlier, sorry.
You're doing great.
I'm doing a lot.
You're doing great. We're proud of you.
Thank you. I was working
Are you
on.
learning anything I'm teaching you?
Yes, I am learning. I picked up. I decided to pick up on
He's being taught about strokes. Go ahead.
I could
For
leave.
different folks.
If you hate me, just say that.
You can't steal my line, bro.
I will steal your line.
You can't steal my line.
You're done.
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 Why
You're
does
done.
it sound like a name? You're done.
My mind is elsewhere right now.
Bro, anyways, I started picking up on
You're
my
done?
rear bumper. Like on a whim, because I was like, hey, I need to get this stuff going. Plus, there's someone else who is in need of products, not this one. So I've got Val working on my wing, and
You need a script.
no, I don't.
You like bouncing all over the place right now.
And you're like, oh, you don't need script. We're too good for that.
So today he's working on his rear bumper because he promised somebody his other bump on the car. Right now he got her right there and her right there helping him. So he's gonna get to work. Real simple. See, done.
Real simple.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. 5 minutes.
But you're a minute and 32 seconds in right now.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I know.
That's wild.
I know. And then he complains about making 7-minute videos.
I don't complain about making 7-minute videos.
Well, I do because they're long.
I complain about hour and 30-minute videos. Starts. Well, no, starts.
If what starts?
That shit.
The blue air compressor?
Yeah.
So I'm recording right now.
Yeah, no. The anyways. Okay, so here I am. I've got shit all over me, and the car is not in the shop right now. It's actually parked because I have to weld this plastic piece together.
Leave that number like that.
And then I was also saying like a back part.
Looks like you're trying to be. That explains a lot. Why you choose so
It would also make sense. On.
So, hey, you gotta take this off. Zip tie this shit on the inside. Make sure those come on. And I will say plastic welded on the inside.
This shit doesn't make sense.
What? Does that clip not work?